Heather, and it sure looks pretty out there, and yeah, it's kind of windy.
Yeah, and Stockton will be a spot where it's breezy, but we're not expecting those 30 to 50 mile per hour gusts there tonight or tomorrow. You'll notice that north breeze may be around 20 miles per hour through this evening. But I want to show you some of the peak gusts over the last couple of hours. This is as of the top of the hour. No surprise to see North Winters as one of our peak spots. 48 mile per hour wind gust at a PG&E weather station there. That was at about 4:15. You come into the central part of the valley and yeah, it's been windy. Wind gusts between Vacaville and Sacramento International Airport between 30 and 40 miles per hour. For Sacramento, for Marysville, for Davis, winds are likely not going to get any stronger than what you see here on this board. If you're on the west side of the valley, yeah, expect to see more of those numbers in the upper 40s to around 50 miles per hour tonight and through the first few hours of the day on Wednesday. Here are the latest gusts. These haven't changed all that much through the central part of the valley, a little lower than what we saw earlier this afternoon. And again, things are going to stay on a pretty even keel for Yuba City, Sacramento, and Stockton over the next 12 hours or so. But pay attention to Woodland and Fairfield as we go through tonight. You see these areas in fuchsia from western Colusa County through Napa County into Solano County. That's where this model is highlighting those winds of potentially 40 miles per hour or more. But on the east side of the valley, especially east of Sacramento, Roseville, Folsom, down into Sonora, the winds are not going to be an issue. There will be a bit of a breeze overnight coming down the west slope of the Sierra, but nothing as strong as what we're expecting here in the valley. 9 o'clock Wednesday morning. Pay attention if you're commuting along Interstate 80 between Sacramento and Vallejo. Parts of I-5 will have that cross breeze as well between Sacramento and Woodland. There will likely be some travel delays for the morning commute tomorrow just because of that wind. People need to drive slower and, of course, keep both hands on the wheel. Now, as we go through Wednesday afternoon, it's a gradual process here for the west side of the valley, but a dramatic drop in the winds from Yuba City to Sacramento. In fact, you may walk outside tomorrow afternoon in some of those spots and think, wow, it's quite a bit quieter. And, of course, with the north breeze, with the drier air, we're keeping tabs on the fire risk. Grasses not as dry as they were a couple of weeks ago, but we're still not out of fire season just yet. So Winters, Vacaville, Lakeport, all areas because of the wind, just that elevated potential for any grass fire to start and spread fairly quickly. Here's Futurecast to take us through the next few days. High pressure moves in Thursday into Friday. The winds go calm. We'll see plenty of sunshine both days, nice cool mornings and nice mild afternoons. Slight chance for a shower Saturday night. For now, it doesn't look like any rain to interrupt weekend plans, but just know that is a little change in the forecast that we're watching. But pay attention to Monday. That's where we see a much better chance for some rain and potentially travel disrupting snow in the mountains. Back to you.
All right, Heather, thank you for catching us up with